A very good evening to the dignitaries on the dais, faculty members, and my dear seniors. I stand here on behalf of the Department of Management Studies to felicitate the outgoing batch of 2011. Dearest seniors, what we feel for you cannot be penned down or delivered in a few minutes. It is definitely more than that. I'd like to take you down the memory lane and rewind to how we officially met. Our first interaction was our competency tests. While you shortlisted the competent ones, we, your juniors, shortlisted on whom to stay away from. Though the event didn't leave us very fond of you, we couldn't help but notice your hard work and the efforts you put into it. The next battle was Talento, and I have to admit it was nothing better. This time your juniors made a list of whom to deal with outside the college. And with this amazing bond, we moved ahead to conquer Synetics. This was the mega event that actually got us working together. Working under you, or rather, working with you, helped us to learn and grow. And the salt and pepper seasoning was what added fun to it. We really look up to you for having conducted something so grand and at such a level. We have valued each day of all that planning, organizing, meetings, and shoutings. Nothing can ever take its place. You have been there for us whenever we have needed would be an understatement. You have been there to guide us through not just our departmental activities, but also our personal endeavors. Now that we are on the verge of placing ourselves in your shoes, we are somehow realizing that what you have done for us was not easy. We appreciate all that you did from the bottom of our hearts. It is hard to believe that one year has just flown by so soon. Though we are overjoyed that we are the seniors now, it would never be the same without you guys around. Now that you're standing on the crossroads of your life, we wish and pray that may the Almighty God bestow upon you His choicest blessings and lead you to fulfill all your dreams. May you be blessed with all that you desire and deserve. We want you to know that each and every person in the department is proud of you, and we love you. All of you will be greatly missed, hoping that we part to meet again. All the best for all your future endeavors. God bless. Thank you.